Good afternoon, I'm Harry Shuttler from Berthon International, and today Sue's going to show you around this incredible Hinckley 51 called Momentum. Enjoy!
Thanks, Harry. This is Sue Grant, and as Harry has said, we're having a look at this extraordinary yacht. She's from Hinckley. She's a Sou'wester 51 Mercurdian Rhodes from 1993, now in the UK with this fabulous prodder. As you can see, built by 40 of carbon, and she's got this lovely flag green all grip, which is in great shape, redone by Hinckley in 2016. Proper gold leaf caviter line, and this green goes from green to black to all sorts of wonderful shades of colour. Makes her look very, very sleek. American yacht, of course. 110 with a transformer, and this classic Hinckley no teak deck, which looks wonderful and is really easy to keep. She's a competition, so she was built for performance sailing, and she's actually very high-tech construction with Kevlar hull over Aerox foam and Kevlar with S-class deck. So she's very light, and when she was originally built she had a hugely deep draft at 9'6". Jim Taylor designed a new keel for her, which brings that down to 7'6" now, with a longer stub and a slight shield, and so she's manageable and still very fast. You're looking at her rig, and that is by Offshore Spars. It's carbon. It was built in 2021 for her, for this owner, and the rod rigging is 2022. The spreaders, of course, are carbon as well. And she has a very good setup for sailing quickly and performance work, and yet this owner is able to sail her quickly and easily, single-handed. Wonderful joinery, all refinished 2022. She's got leisure foil boom, new oar grip 2016, Occam instrumentation, all been upgraded in this ownership, and she has hundreds and hundreds of sails. Every possible combination you can think of. All of them are north. There's one quantum. Good anchoring, the CQR, Lumar windlass, and you see the furling at the front. That's Harken 3E furler. New dinghy this year. It's HP 310 West. And look at the detailing on deck with these wonderful Gerard boxes, all in high gloss varnish. And there's even a little space for putting things, and you see that little finger hold for opening up. Wonderful. Everything comes aft. She's had a good racing career. This owner's done the Bermuda race with her, brought her across the Atlantic this year. Cockpit upholstery is new this year, and a lot of the covers. Lumar winches, powered secondaries and lift for the leisure foil. Raymer in autopilot. Everything is to hand, and she's really, really easy to get to everything. You see all the Occam on the companionway. It's all been rebuilt. She's got Raymarine digital radar, which you'll see down below. And she's also got Raymarine E128. And now we're going to go down below into this extraordinary interior. Despite the high-tech build, despite everything that's on deck, when Hinckley build a performance boat, they don't save weight on the joinery. So this wonderful cherry high-gloss interior with wonderful floors with holly are all as all Hinckleys are, with lots of solids, wonderful veneers, hand-built. Everything is crafted with the utmost care. Look at this great nav station. All easy to understand. She's got sat phone, Iridium, SSB, lovely table. The main engine lives under there. She's got a Yanmar 88 horsepower turbo. That's had a lot of love, under 4,000 hours. And then you've got a top load and front load fridge freezer. There's a cover for the cooker, which is custom to give you more working space, which is a really good idea. All in fantastic condition. That cooker is a Force 10 3-burner. Great deep sink, lovely tap. And all of these wonderful lockers, when you open them up, they're all tongued and grooved at the side, properly made. So we're going to go into the owner's cabin. Rather subdued lighting. She's got full LED, nice double with an infill. The dinghy's on top of the forehatch, so normally it's flooded with light. Lots of storage room. The boat's air conditioned. She's got Panda 11 kilowatt generator. That's also had lots of love and is in great condition. And this is the owner's ensuite. Vacuum flush loos, both front and back. Separated shower stall. And in her first ownership, both basins have these wonderful hand-painted dragons in them. And then back, very light, lovely area here. And then you've got day head, or head for the aft cabin. Another wonderful basin, doesn't that look cool? All in perfect condition. Storage, hatch above. All of the head linings are faultless. The floors have been refinished, but little else. And then this is a really nice guest cabin with an infill to make it a double as you wish. Lots of storage, great if somebody wants to hang out with you for some time. And then this heads compartment's Jack and Jill, and you can see that there's a shower compartment and there's a little screen that comes around. So there we are again. She's in her third ownership. This owner, in fact, bought the owner who built hers previous Hinckley. He was always enamoured of this boat and was able to buy her when the time comes. Very, very special interior, really is. And just so unmarked. And back, up, into this lovely, easy working cockpit. Of course, all the safety gear's in date. She is just remarkable. Momentum, Hinckley Sou'wester 51.